Well, hello guys, my name is Mair. Today I'm sharing the best hot dog rolls. We all gonna bake it together, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. First thing first, we will take the pizza crust, right? So we're gonna be using ready-made dough. You can make this dough at home by yourself. Just take some flour, add some water, a pinch of salt and a sugar. So here we have our dough. We will take our dough out right here. Okay, this is ready-made dough. You can get any kind of dough. It don't have to be a pizza crust, but since I have the pizza crust, I'm using pizza crust. But just giving you a suggestion, guys, if you use the pizza dough, the pizza crust dough, it's gonna be way better. So we will stretch this dough on our chopping table just like this. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, it smells so good. The dough, it has a doughy smell. I'm using this organic beef hot dogs. You guys can get chicken or you guys can get veggies, but the beef, in my case, I think the beef tastes way better. I don't know, it's just me, it's nothing. I don't want to make a new concept about this, but I just want to say it's just me, I feel this way. So here's the hot dog right on top of our dough. I still have some mozzarella cheese, as you guys can see from the last video. If you guys have seen the pizza, how to make pizza by yourself, if you haven't watched that, I would suggest after this video go ahead and watch it again. We will slice the dough just like this. We will add another hot dog right there, then we will add one more right here, then we will add one more right here. So we will cover this all with our hot dogs. I want to make 8 rolls. I'll try my best to make the 8 rolls. Okay, so this is the first one, right? So we will take the sides and we will just put right on top and just seal it just by the hand. It's a handmade recipe, guys. So this one has a lot of dough, and try to cover this whole hot dog with the cheese. Give it a roll, press it in the middle, bring the excess cheese right on top, and here it is. If the cheese is a little bit coming out, it's all fine, it's all okay, because it's gonna melt, we're gonna bake this. So this is our first roll. So easy it is, right? Very easy. And we will place this right here on our baking tray. Let's move to the next part, the next one. So again, we will slice the dough from the bottom. We will take some cheese, put cheese right on top. Okay, just like that. Take the sides, cover it with and try to roll it. If the dough gets thinner, it's all okay. We are not making the whole buns out of it. We are just making the rolls, hot dog rolls. Very easy. This is again the recipe you can make at home and you can enjoy it. Okay, so here it is. I'll just put this right here. Let's take another one. Here it is. Some cheese right on top, and I'm making this the skinnier one. So they don't have to be a brother and sister. It has to be a little bit different. It's all okay. It's all fine. This has the less dough on top of it. It's all Gucci. Go. See, it has the less dough. I can roll it. I can make it even, As you guys can see, I can do it, but I just want to make it a little bit. So this is the skinniest one right here. So as you can see, this is the thickest one with a lot of dough. This is the middle, and this is the less doughy one. So let's move on to the next one. Take the cheese and cover it. Very easy. Very, very, very easy. How about I should roll this dough and just show you guys. You can even do that. So that's how it's gonna be. All right, so the second last one. You want to make it spicy? I have this habanero. It's gonna be a spicy. So take 2 slices of habanero, dip it in the dough. This is without the cheese. This is just doughy with habanero touch to it. Take it out all the way and roll it right here with the tiny layer of the dough. This is a pizza crust, right? So a tiny amount of dough is gonna do the whole lot of big job. So that's how it's gonna look. If you're not confident, then just roll it. Roll the dough right on top of the hot dog with the habanero in there. Yeah, it's gonna be spicy. So see, this is the dough roll on the hot dog with the habanero. Goes right here. All right, so I have a little layer left. Let me see. You guys want to do cheese? Okay, let's go with the cheese. Layer of cheese. Get the dough and just roll the thing. I'll slice this from here so I can make another one. So the whole concept about this thing is how to have a bun ready-made cooked with the hot dog as a pizza style in your oven by yourself. For now it looks like a rough job, but trust me guys, once it's ready you're gonna be surprised. So stick to it, stick together for it. Very easy. There's no cheese, no habanero, nothing. I'm just covering this with some pizza crust dough right here, and we'll place it right on top. To make it more amazing, have some cheese, spread it right on top of your rolls, just like that. See the 2 rolls, the dough rolls. I actually made the dough to roll on the hot dog, right? Some more cheese right there, some more cheese right on top. All right, so now guys, we will bake this at 425 degrees for 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys after 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. I have to wait a little longer just because my oven was not on. Anyway, I'm here with this crusty. Wow, this is so crusty. It's like sticking on this baking sheet, but it's all cooked. I can promise you that if you try this recipe, I can promise you that you will get the flavors of the best hot dog rolls ever. Anyway, let's focus here. I had to get this item just not to burn my hand and make it the best video ever. Alright, so if you guys are making it, please put some butter spray or something at the bottom. It's gonna help you out. I didn't put it. So this is our hot dog roll, the first one. You see this cheese, it just roasted a lot. It's gonna still taste the cheese from the inside out. So we will place this right here. Hot dog rolls are out of the tray, and I'm placing it all right here. Oh wow, I mean all the good stuff, these two. So I'll take it and put it right here, and here the habanero one, I'll put it right on top of it. So guys, do try this recipe. I'm telling you, these are the hot dog rolls with the pizza crust. Imagine how it's gonna taste. I'm taking some ketchup right here and just dressing it. This mustard sauce, it has this mayonnaise, and it has the ketchup as well, or just like this right on top. Okay, if you're running a restaurant, this is a $20 appetizer right here. Hot dog rolls, oven baked, just right here. It's not an expensive appetizer. $20 for a 5-star restaurant, it's nothing. Anyway guys, so this is how it looks. If you see right here, this is how it looks. It's all individually. If I pick one, I can show you. Hot dog roll mountain. I have 3 at the bottom, extra well done cook, 2 on the top, and the last one is right here. They all have different flavors and it's super good. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. I'm trying this. The dough had came to a point where it is crunchy and the best flavor you can ever find. Oh wow. The sauce is right on top. Okay, so this is the bite. Hot dog roll bite. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the best hot dog recipe. I'm getting the comfort of the hot dog and the bread and the sauces right in me. I mean, I feel it. Do try this recipe. It was all raw recipe. How you can do this, how you can make this. It just took for me, I would say 25 minutes to 30 minutes just to make this recipe. And I can surprise my friends, my family, and everyone. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe the channel, and I'll be sharing the best recipes with you guys I can ever find. Do subscribe. Bye bye for now. The perfect, right? And the sauces and the cheese, extra crispy dough and the cheese. That's the bite.